here to talk to you about the importance of scheduling. We're going to explain how it's used, why it's used, and then show you in a sample project.
Scheduling is very important because it helps initiatives, projects stay on track.
Scheduling is used by a variety of different businesses. Some examples are construction and building management, defense contracting, general project management, and planning events such as a wedding.
Scheduling can be done using a variety of tools such as paper on the wall, which I will show you, the software tools such as Microsoft Project, Microsoft Excel if you don't have that, or additional advanced software scheduling tools such as Deltek's OpenPlan or Primavera. For this project, we conducted a sample schedule. We knew this project was due on February 20th, so we had the project completion date up here. And we knew it would take 2 days to edit this project, so we put this on the wall, followed by 1 day to film this movie, and about 4 days to come up with creative and brainstorming events. Because we got this project on Wednesday, January 30th, we calculated it from the back using a backwards pass and found we had 10 days of total slack that we could use up on other times or could start the project later. Here at Drake University in Des Moines, Iowa, we had the assignment of creating a video to explain one of many operations topics. Since our topic was scheduling, we decided to show an example schedule on the wall using this method. Here we had our project assigned on Wednesday, January 30th. And then we created every task in order to complete it, which I will now walk you through. Our next step was creative ideas and brainstorming how we were going to do this video. And we estimated it would take 4 days to complete this process. Our second step was to film the movie, which took 1 day, as we are doing right now. The next step to completing this project would be editing it. We estimated this would take 2 days to complete. Finally, our project was due Wednesday, February 20th, which our project completion date. So to complete our total slack, we utilized the backwards pass, starting from the back and counting up the days that every event took to complete. We found we had 10 days of total slack, also known as total float, and these 10 days could be used over the course of the project to add time to different events. For example, if filming took an extra day, we could add it there, or we could start the project later than this was assigned.
I'm going to take you through how we really planned out when we were going to do all of our tasks. So I'm going to take you through the backward pass. We started with a project completion date of February 20th and decided that 10 days would probably be a good cushion for this project. We went on, our last step of the project was going to be editing the movie, which we thought would probably take about 2 days, but we decided to leave an extra 2 days in there, so a total of 4 days, just in case editing might have taken a little more than we thought. Our next step that we needed to do in the backward pass was to film the movie. And we said that this would probably take 1 day, but we decided to leave 2 just in case a team member didn't show up or we didn't get enough film that we thought we were going to. The next step was to create ideas and do some brainstorming, which we thought would take 4 days. And we didn't really leave any cushion time in there because we just thought that the 4 days was enough in itself. And then that brought us to when our project was assigned on January 30th, and we just took a lot of cushion time in there.
In conclusion, we hope that our project has given you a good overview of how scheduling is used in operations management.